Hi, welcome to this course on discrete mathematics. I am Pratik Porwal, your instructor for this course. I have several years of online teaching experience teaching engineering subjects including maths, physics and electrical sciences. In this course, I'll be teaching you everything in sets, relations and functions. They are very important for any math or computer science student. In fact, they form the basic building blocks of discrete mathematics and are must to understand. So this course was created keeping the importance of this subject in mind and is definitely going to help you master these topics. It will be a 4.5-hour course comprising of video lectures, quizzes and worked examples to give you a unique and clear understanding about these topics. We will start the course by first understanding about the sets, types of sets, the different set operations like union, intersection, etc. And then we will learn about Venn diagrams and do different problems. After sets, we will learn about relations, in which we will cover the basic definition of a relation. We will understand the domain and range of a relation, the different types of relations including symmetric relation, reflexive relation, transitive relation and the popular equivalence relations, and also do problems based on them. Then we will understand functions, in which we will learn about the basic definition of a function, the domain, range and codomain of a function, the different types of functions like injective function, surjective function and the bijective functions. Then we will learn about the function operations including the composition of functions and the inverse of a function. So this course is a complete package in itself and is meant to give you everything you need to know in sets, relations and functions. By the end of this course, you should be able to define and solve all the basic terms and problems associated with sets, relations and functions. There are also different quizzes which are implemented after each section, so you can self-assess yourself after each section and also revise the lectures which you think you are weak in. You will also receive a certificate of completion upon completing this course, which will be helpful in your job interviews and other career prospects. You can enroll to this course by clicking on Buy Now option, which you see on the course brochure, and can start it immediately. If you have any further queries about the course, you can read more about it on the course page or just message me personally and I shall try to reply as early as I can. Look forward to see you in the course.